place the elements magnesium, lead, iron, and silver in the correct order from the most reactive to the least reactive. Okay, so straight away we should just eliminate some of them by not understanding the fact that silver is the least reactive out of all of these. And the reason I know that is because silver is the only one of these metals that can be found in its elemental form in nature. So that tells us that silver is the least reactive. So it could be A or C, because the others don't have silver at the end. Okay, so the least reactive one, silver, should be at the end. Okay, and you can see magnesium has already been placed for us. So all we need to do is figure out which is more reactive, iron or lead. Now, if we think about our water pipes, lead used to be used in water pipes, whereas you've never seen an iron water pipe. And the reason for that is because lead doesn't react with water, but iron does. So that means that iron must be more reactive than lead. So if we look at it, magnesium is the most reactive, followed by iron, followed by lead, and silver is the least reactive. So C is our correct answer. Okay. So which of the following most accurately describes the current model of the atom? Okay. So A isn't true because protons and electrons don't cluster in the nucleus, it's protons and neutrons. C is definitely incorrect from the first three words. Positively charged neutrons. So that can't be true because you can't have a positively charged neutron. You have a positively charged proton or a neutrally charged neutron. D, neutrons and protons clustered in the nucleus and electrons spread around the edges of the atom. That sounds sort of true, but I probably wouldn't pick that one because it's a little bit indefinite. So that leaves us with B, neutrally charged neutrons and positively charged protons clustered in the nucleus, and negatively charged electrons existing in orbitals around the nucleus. Okay? So B sounds about the most correct, and it's our correct answer. Okay? Okay. What is the molar mass of C2H5OH, which is ethanol? So to work this out, all you have to do is look up your periodic table and write down the molar masses. The molar mass of a single of carbon, so 2 times that is 24.02. Hydrogen is 1.008, and oxygen is 16. So 6 hydrogens is about 6, 24 here, and 16. So if we add them all together, that's 30, 46. Now you might be tempted to pick D at this point because the number is roughly 46, but just remember that the molar mass includes different isotopes as well, and it's not integer valued. So you don't have these nice perfect numbers. So you get numbers like 01 and 008. So it's not likely to be perfectly 46.00, okay? So the better answer would be A because it includes the different types of isotopes for carbon and hydrogen and oxygen, because the molar mass of these things is not perfectly integer valued.